Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to talk about the Thor Palazzo. Palazzo means a large, splendid residence, which makes Palazzo a very appropriate name for this line of Thor Class A diesel motorhomes. The Palazzo line has 4 distinct luxurious floor plans, ranging in length from about 35 feet to nearly 39 feet, and all of them are built on the Freightliner XCS chassis with Atlas foundation. If you're towing a vehicle, there are no worries, as every Palazzo has a trailer hitch rating of 10,000 pounds. When I go over the Palazzo floor plans, I'm confident you will find one that will get your traveling heart pounding. First up is the Palazzo 33.2. This is a front living model with 2 slides. The smaller of the slides makes a big impact in the master bedroom, as it is a wardrobe slide that pushes out the closet and dresser to create a true walk-around queen bed, with the bed centered against the rear wall. As with all Palazzos, there's a 32-inch LED TV in the bedroom directly across from the bed for maximum viewing. A bedroom pocket door gives you total privacy as well. The second slide is a massive one on the driver's side that effectively pulls out the kitchen and dinette in order to create a wide aisle. As with all Palazzos, the 33.2 also has an overhead powered bunk. On to the next Palazzo, the 33.5. Like the 33.2, this one is nearly 35 in feet, plus has a very similar layout. The difference lies in the beds. The 33.5 has a tilt-a-view inclining queen bed centered on its back wall, plus has twin bunks nestled in the large slide. These bunks can convert to a closet or sofa if you prefer, offering a lot of versatility. Utilizing the bunks, the 33.5 can accommodate up to 9 sleepers. Like the 33.2, this one also has a pocket door for privacy in the master bedroom. The Palazzo number 3 is the very unique 36.3. It is the only Palazzo model that is a bath and a half floor plan. The 36.3 moves the bed, now a tilt-a-view inclining king bed, to the campside and on its own slide. This allows for an impressive rear bath with large countertop and deep bowl sink. A pocket door allows for the entire rear third of the 36.3 to become a master suite. The driver's side slide contains the fridge, a large dream dinette, and equally large reclining theater seating. These seats sit across from a 40-inch LED TV and an electric fireplace. Adding up all the sleeping spaces, you'll be able to sleep up to 6. The last of the Palazzo floor plans has the most of one thing: closet space. The 37.4 is perfect for those who like to keep a lot of clothes on hand. The master bedroom wardrobe spans the entire back wall and is easy to get to, as the tilt-a-view inclining king bed pulls out on its own driver's side slide. The 37.4 is also the only Palazzo to have 3 slides. The second driver's side slide is in the living area and contains the 68-inch sofa bed with the retractable 50-inch LED TV, plus the 72-inch dream dinette. To keep your toes warm, the 37.4 also comes with an electric fireplace. The final slide is a large living room bedroom combo slide on the campside. This pulls out the entire kitchen as well as a washer-dryer combo, and yes, more bedroom closet space. With the large roomy furniture and drop-down bunk, the Palazzo 37.4 allows for up to 8 happy campers to get a good night's rest. We finished touring the 4 Palazzo floor plans. Now let's take a quick look into a few of the Palazzo's fantastic features. One thing each Palazzo takes off your mind is laundry, as each comes with a stacking washer and dryer located in or near the master bedroom. Another? Entertainment. Every Palazzo has a minimum of 3 LED TVs. The 32-inch in the master bedroom, a living room TV at a minimum of 49 inches, and an exterior 39-inch TV on a swivel bracket with soundbar and Bluetooth capability. The 33.5 bunkhouse model also has a 15-inch TV as well as a removable 24-inch TV. Plus, you get a Blu-ray player and soundbar, as well as a WineGuard Connect Wi-Fi 4G TV antenna. As for the kitchen, Palazzos are loaded with the following: an electric induction cooktop, stainless steel appliances including a 16 cubic foot residential fridge with ice maker, 30-inch over-the-range microwave, solid surface countertops, large double bowl stainless steel sink with single handle faucet and pull down sprayer, and beautiful high gloss glazed cabinetry with solid wood doors and nickel finish hardware. On the Palazzo's exterior, along with the aforementioned TV, you find a power awning with integrated LED lighting, heated power mirrors with integrated side view cameras, basement pass-through storage, and easy slide storage tray. When you're planning on making the step into traveling the country in a Class A diesel, take a look at the Thor Palazzo. From bath and a half to bunkhouse to massive bedroom suites, the Thor Palazzo line has 4 unique floor plans, each designed to accommodate your camping dreams and desires.